guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel Le Rythme Français. So today in this video we are going to tell about all the exams that are related to French and which are valid worldwide for a lifelong period of time. What are their uses? Who all are eligible? How can you give it? All the information is given in this video. But what is important for you to do is to like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want us to make more such videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. C'est parti. So starting with the diplomas of French language. So we are going to focus on all the diplomas of French language which are made by our French ministry. So there are 6 independent diplomas which correspond respectively to the 6 levels of CEFRL. CEFRL is the term I'm going to use for Council of Europe's Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. So in easy term, you can say that it's kind of the French embassy that is responsible and the French ministry that is responsible. So these are the 6 independent diplomas that they have made for all the French language learners. So beginning with the first one and the very common one is the DELF exam, which is also known as DELF tout public or DELF TP. Okay, so it's the very common one which you must be hearing, I think. So these examination days are based on your knowledge, your expertise, your skills in the language, your learning skills, and they judge you on 4 things. That is your compréhension écrite, your compréhension orale, your production écrite and your production orale. That means your listening and your speaking skills, your reading and your writing skills. These are the 4 competences, your 4 skills that are being judged in this examinations, and they start from the A1 level. A1 is your beginners level, okay, and then it comes to A2, which is the elementary, then B1, then B2. Till B2 you have the DELF exam for tout public. Now anyone can appear for this exam, European, non-Europeans, anybody. Like there is no eligibility criteria, no age criteria, and the best part is if you clear one exam, you are going to get the certificate which is valid worldwide and for lifelong. So that means all your life, if you have given DELF exam for once, then it's valid lifetime. So you don't need to focus on the 2-year terms or 5-year terms. It's a lifelong thing. Also, it's not in the hierarchy. For example, if you give you can directly go for DELF A2. So it's not necessary that you pass the DELF A1 and then you go to DELF A2. So you can start with DELF A2 directly if you're prepared. I started with A1. Honestly, I couldn't clear A1, so I started with A2. Now I'm C1 level certified, but yeah, that was the beginning I am telling you about. Then next we have is DELF Prime, that is PRIM. PRIM, this is for children who are learning French as a language at primary school. So all the children who are learning French at a primary school, this exam is for them. Actually, it is the best exam to prepare your students for further, DELF public that we have just seen, DELF TP. So it's actually the beginning and a good level of preparation for your kids to make a career in French language. So if you are focused to make your child into this French language career, you should ask them to go for the DELF. This is basically for the school students, for the ones who are at the primary schools. So DELF Prime level A1.1 and then you have A1. So basically what is A1.1? It has all the same competences, all the same 4 skills that I told you before. But what is the level is the level and the questions, okay, the level of the paper is set according to the children. So I think it's very good for the practice of children, and again it's valid for the lifelong. Next comes to the DELF Junior, which is again very important, and it is in the secondary school. The first one was for the primary school. That means this one is for the secondary schools, that mean 12 to 17 years of age. This again assesses 4 levels, that is A1, A2, B1, B2. The best part about these exams, all these exams, is that it is authorized by the French ministry And when these exams are made, you actually prepare your student to make your child, or maybe your student, to be a better person. They get a good career opportunities with these exams. So these are all approved by CEFRL. So if you or anybody, maybe it's your students, maybe it's your child who are learning this language, must go for it. So it's DELF A1, A2, B1, B2, again with the four competences, with the four skills: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So you have to prepare yourself. Moving on, c'est parti. So the next exam is the DELF Scolaire, which is again very what do you call, very important exam, and very useful in the long term if you see, because this allows to have the DELF exams for teenagers in state and private schools. So they can have the DELF and DELF exams, and this has started on 1st September 2005. So this is like a very good opportunity for all the language learners again. And this is DELF Scolaire. So the full form is Diplôme d'études en langue française. It's written on the screen. So if you see, it's written on the screen for your information. And again, the pattern is same, but the level of questions, it decreases according to the level. For example, if the school students are giving, so the topics become slightly easy, okay, which is very important. They're adapted for school children. So you need to don't worry that your child might fail this, but it's actually personal advice that it's actually very, very, very advisable to take these exams before actually going for the DELF exam. It's like a good preparation for the future. So let's start, and moving on with another one, which is DELF Pro. So as the word suggests, Pro is for professionals. So this exam is actually for all the people who are professionals, who are looking for a professional career. Many enterprises, many organizations, they ask for DELF Pro. So you can see that this Pro is for professional, that's for optio professional. So it's not recommended for everybody to give this exam, but if you want to go in a professional way, then you can choose DELF Pro. So the candidates that seek initial employment opportunities or promotion within a French speaking work environment, then that DELF Pro is very, very, very recommended. And sometimes the enterprises, they tell you to have this exam before they hire you. So it's very important. The examination topics, they are based on the world of work. Obviously the pattern is same as the DELF exam, but I think the topics are more practical, which are based on your work. Okay, so they're more practical, they're more professional, I would say. So they're based on work life or a professional life. So this is again A1, A2, B1, B2, again all the four levels, all the professional options that you have. And then the next one we are going to talk about is the most superior and my favorite, which is DELF. The full form of DELF is Diplôme Approfondi de Langue Française. So this, we have DELF C1 and C2. So how does it work is, we have DELF A1, DELF A2, DELF B1, DELF B2. And then we have DELF C1 and DELF C2. These are the proficiency levels, where the person is actually at its best. The fluency level is spotless. It's like you are talking French as if you are as if it's your mother tongue. Okay, so high level of proficiency is expected. You are actually expected to talk like native, maybe also to think like native. That is also important. But again, once you clear these exams for one time, then nobody is going to ask you to give it again. So it's like once done, it's done. So it's for a lifetime thing, which is very nice because it's valid worldwide. For example, if you have given in India this exam, then the certificate is also valid for a job in France. Maybe some enterprises, they accept it. So that is something I like about DELF exam. Unlike other exams which are valid for just a particular period of time, DELF and DELF are valid for a lifetime of period. So this is the best for your career opportunities, to explore your opportunities. I think that this is my suggestion. Thank you guys for your attention. And also from the team of Le Rythme Français, I wish you very, very, very happy new year. May this year bring a lot of happiness and success to you guys. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel. We really need your support. And if you need classes or if you have any doubt related to your language career, then you can mail us at lerythmefrancais@gmail.com. We will be happy to help you. So, as I always say, au revoir. Stay home, stay safe.